Welcome back to the Funko Brothers YouTube channel. Today we have 6 different Funko Pops to show you and a prize win from Instagram Pop Box Central. So stay tuned after this brief intro. Be right back. Let's get this video started, shall we? First up, we have a Dragon Ball Z Pop. We have a Funko Insider Club Gohan. It's a closer look with him with his sword. And then this is a set. I'm not necessarily going to go in line. I want to set on Why Not from Boruto. Never watched it. But it's a pretty cool pop. I like how she's got the big fist like Wreck-It Ralph. And then we have this one. And then this one. Then you have this one. And then you have, I guess, the main character with a sword. And then we have the prize win from Pop Box Central on Instagram, which is the Target exclusive non-glow Hobgoblin. On the back, there's their card. Pretty cool pop. I like the glow in the dark t-shirt bundle one better, but that's just me. Comment down below what you think. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Funko Brothers out. Catch you in the next one.